Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about these three parts: how to download and install Git bash on Windows 10 or 11, how to create and connect Git repository, some basic Git command. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser, type Git bash, download. Here, https://git-scm.com. It is upstairs, Git bash, upside, click, choose your operating system. Mine is Windows. Here, choose your standalone installer, choose your bit. Mine is 64-bit. I am selecting 64-bit. See, it is downloading. So it is downloading latest one, Git icon 2.440 here. Latest 2.440. Meanwhile, you can create the one folder for this file. I will paste in that location. Every software I am installing in D drive. Here in D drive I am created software folder. So for that Git bash I am creating inside software one folder called Git bash. Makes no spaces between Git bash. And I will create one remote repository as well. So login into your github.com account. Mine already is login. So this is my profile. Go to your profile. Plus icon. New repository. I will add my test1 to repository. So it is available. Next I will add one readme file. Create repository. So it is created repository. Wait until this download is completed. So once download is done, open folder, right click, show more options. Go to your D drive. In D drive, I'm created Git bash. I'm pasting here. Paste. Right click, run as administrator. It will appear one dialog box. You can say yes. So next, I am every software installing in D drive. So I am changing to D. If you want, you can install in D or C, or if any other drive also you want. I want desktop icon, so I am selected. Next. Here, default branch name. It is asking, it is currently pointing to master default branch name. If you want to main or something else, you can change here. So going to our remote repository, main is there, default branch name. So I am just not changing main, just I am master is there. This by default I am changing to main, pointing to main branch. Next. There is no more changes not required. Just next, install. Go to your workspace. Suppose my workspace is D drive. Workspace here. I'm creating new folder like test1 to so rename test1 to is it my repository name. Yeah, test1 to is my repository name. I'm changing as this. So here it is you release note. I don't want to you release note. I don't want to launch git bash finish. Just finish. Go to your project name. In your drive, you need to create one folder for your project. Then you can go to inside that. Right click. Show more options. Open git bash here. Type. Check the git version. After that, you can create one local repository. Git init. By using git init, we can create the local repository where here git.git is there. It is by default hidden folder, but we are enabled here. It is tick mark is there, right? We are enabled. Actually look like, but we are enabled. So it is appear. Next, we need to connect remote repository. Copy this path. Copy for remote repository connectivity. Git add git remote add origin After that origin UR. So some extra characters added, remove this one, and these are the some symbols, numbers I added, remove, enter. Git removed here origin. After that, see here, first we need to pull code because on file is already there. So it is remote repository, on file is there, but in local we don't have any files here, no file. So we need to pull the code first. For that, first time git pull origin, git pull origin main branch. So it will ask username, password kind of. Here, done. I think it is pulled. Here, this is it. So you can add one file here. Suppose I'm adding text file. This is one text file. So git start as nothing but which files are newly added, which files are committed. This kind of like untracked files, tracked files, modified files, everything we can see by using git status. After that, git add. By using, we can add these files, untracked files into staging area. So git add file name, or you can use star. Star means R files. This is recommended to use like individual files. So some file is there, right? Git add. Right. You can tab. You can verify here first. New text document. Change name to so more rename. Suppose okay, I am giving okay. You can tab get.txt added. After that, check get status. Here changes to be committed. Unstaged. This is untracked file. Unstaged. So once you are committed, git commit -m. Suppose first commit. Here it is committed. After that, you can check get status. Now we are nothing to coming. Working tree clean. Now working tree clean. After that, you can get push get push origin main. First time we are pushing, we need to use get push -m. Get push -m origin main. Enter could not read from remote repository. So origin spelling wrong. Origin enter. So here it will appear one on pop-up kind of sign in with your browser. So we need to log in into our Git bucket, my Git bucket. So I am logging into my Git bucket, my GitHub or Git bucket or GitLab. So here login successful. This is posted successful. Let's verify. Let's refresh. Okay.txt is there, right? This way we can go to download and install Git bash on Windows 10 or 11. Go to create and connect Git repository. Some basic commands. These are some basic commands. So now I will create new branch. Suppose locally I will create new branch and I will post same code into same okay.txt file and a readme file into another branch. Git checkout -b. Suppose feature 1 to 2, right? Then I will create new file, new file p1. So I will use git add star. After that, git commit -m some message. Both files added some message. Next, git git push. Second time onwards, we can use git push directly without -u. So let's browse. Let's refresh browser. Let's refresh here. You all branches. Here only one branch in there. Git checkout -d future 1 to but it is not switching to this branch. Checkout spelling is wrong. Checkout spelling is wrong here. Hit checkout -b feature 1 2. It is changed to new branch. So suppose git push, git push. You can verify it is added or not. Here, create new file. Suppose you can create new file. Suppose git add star, git commit -m, some message, suppose some message. After that, git push, git push. The current branch has no upstream branch. To push the current branch and set the remote, so we need to use git push -u origin hr1 2. We need to use like that. So then it will push to new repo, new branch, new remote branch. Let's repress it. Here, future recently pushed. Here another branch. This is the another branch. So okay, WE, this file is there in new branch, but default branch, that file is not there. No, that file is not there. So this way too, we can push and pull the files. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.